Good morning, students. Today I am going to teach you the lesson The Fight of It's Happened. My dear students, please pay your attention. What's happened? At home, Ranji could not hide his injuries. His mother insisted on his staying at home for the rest of the day. In the evening, he was able to slip out to the bazaar. There he took some lemonade and jalebis. When he had finished it, he saw the Punjabi boy coming down the road. Both of them scowled at each other. Ranji reached the pool unwillingly next day. He was feeling weak and knew he would be beaten in another fight. Yet, how could he refuse the challenge? As long as he fought, he had a right to the pool. He saw the Punjabi boy on a rock on the other side of the pool. Seeing Ranji, he shouted a challenge. He asked Ranji it come to his side and fight. Ranji asked him to come to his side. The Punjabi boy ridiculed. He said that Ranji could not swim the length of that pool. My dear students, please pay attention. Ranji dived straight into the water. He surfaced on the other side without a splash. The Punjabi boy's mouth hung open in amazement. The Punjabi boy exclaimed with surprise how he could dive so well. He asked Ranji if he would teach him how to dive. Ranji told him how to dive. The Punjabi boy landed in the water flat on his belly. There was noise which sent the birds screaming from the trees. Ranji laughed a lot. The Punjabi boy came out of the pool spouting water like a whale. Then Ranji executed another fine dive to teach him. It went on for some time. Then the Punjabi boy said that Ranji must teach him every day. Ranji agreed. My dear students, the two told their names to each other. Then the Punjabi boy asked Ranji if he was not strong. Ranji agreed and said that he was a real Pahlawan. The Punjabi boy Suraj said that he would become the world's champion wrestler. Then, looking critically at Ranji, he said that Ranji was strong too. However, he said that he was bony. He invited him to have food with him. Suraj proposed a deal. If Ranji taught him diving, he would make Ranji a Pahlavan too. Again, Ranji agreed. My dear students, again please pay attention. It is our pool, said Suraj. Nobody else can come here without permission. Ranji said that nobody would dare to come there now because now they were friends. Thank you.